Introducing the modern ED E870 vented dryer, a perfect companion to any washer. It has an impressive capacity of 4 cubic feet and measures 35.5 by 23.6 by 25.2 inches. This versatile 110 volts dryer offers multiple dry cycles. Choose from normal, heavy eco, delicate, and more. Easily adjust its heat level from high to medium or air. Refresh your favorite clothes with the built-in wrinkle guard and refresh function. Eliminate any germs, bacteria, and allergens with the Sanitize and Allergen Cycles. The ED870 also has lint removal reminders. Its reversible door can open from the left and right side and offers a flexible installation. Featuring a special shoe cycle, the ED870 gently dries your shoes and removes any odors. Its automatic temperature adjustment ensures energy savings. Use the exhaust elbow and hose for a seamless setup. Experience peace of mind with our built-in diagnostics and 1-year parts and labor warranty. Get a complete laundry set. The dryer can be paired with Equator's 835 washer and function as a set. Ready to transform your laundry experience? Upgrade to the modern ED870 dryer today.